today. That's the latest coming up. The NGO People's Watch said that the two eyewitnesses, Bala Chandran and Shekhar, gave their versions on the encounter which killed 20 alleged Red Sanders smugglers. The rights panel said that all officers involved in the encounter should be named. They also said that the arms used in the encounter and the diary entries must be preserved. Now, the recording of the version of the third witness will be taking place on the 23rd of this month. Kamaljeet now joins me on the phone line. Kamaljeet, any details of what these two men had to say to the Human Rights Commission?
Well, at this point of time, they're not really speaking at the press conference, but definitely these are important eyewitnesses. Another one, Ilango, who's not actually in Delhi right now. This is because he didn't have any identity details. That's what we've been told by People's Watch. The fact remains that he is one of the most important eyewitnesses as he traveled in the past. It's only that he managed his situation very well and could survive that particular encounter. The entire point of this entire press conference is obviously after submitting before NHRC is that this is a fake encounter, and this is what is alleged at this point of time. And definitely we see more witnesses coming in, more testimonials coming before the court. What is now more important is that this is being presented, and they say that one is a protective custody of these witnesses for People's Watch, and they are also seeking full protection from the police. The fact remains that they are saying that these were not smugglers, some of them in fact being students as well.
But all right, Kamaljeet, we'll come back to you. There seems to be a bit of an audio problem with that press conference taking place at the back, but that's the latest coming out. Those two witnesses have now been presented before the Human Rights Commission.